welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rumbai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. SACYM offers prayers for students appearing for different examinations. Gabriel Yangrai released on bail within minutes, captured by the CID again. The candidature of Violat Miki Shillong should be void for violation of law. And Rai Edao campaign extends to Ripoy. And now the news in detail. Seng Samla Archdiocese Catholic Youth Movement SACYM offered special prayers for students appearing for their upcoming examinations. The special prayer is offered in Cathedral Lajumkra in the evening of the 14th of February, participated by leaders, members and religious to pray and surrender the upcoming examinations of the students to God. Father Jimirus Chilla urged the youngsters to work hard and put their complete trust on God and the Holy Spirit to enlighten their minds and help them face their examinations courageously. He bestowed his blessings on all the students to reach lofty heights and where they aim to be. Father Julius Korba also bestowed his blessings on the students to be able to prepare well for their examinations and excel in life. Gabriel Yangrai, who possesses a case of misusing of money of the police department on the 14th of February, was released on bail from the district jail. But few minutes after, he was again arrested by the CID on pending cases against him. While speaking to the media persons outside the district jail, he informed that he is released on bail, but he will be arrested again for pending cases against him. He added that he has no issue with his arrest, but he is very weary of the ill treatment towards his family members. He also assured that he will continue to cooperate with the police as he had been doing the whole time.
What sufficient amount of evidence with me, which I will use. Now it is only them because they have the laws with them. All the high level are with them. I am nothing. I'll tell you, even the people who used to work. Suppose now you are my staff, you are my junior, you work with me. Even they have been put on duress. Make statements after statements against me, alleging this, alleging that, as if all the police. See, I'm not saying the whole system is. We have a lot of good policemen who are still very good, but always under duress because they cannot butter. They don't belong to this, and especially the highway, which is a source of lifeline. This is where I am a victim of. Why? Because under my signature, Many things have happened. Many people have got letters which they don't want. And now because in a jail we have access to newspaper which you all write. There is a question about some high-level people who even the Honorable High Court has asked the credibility. And now, me, what did I do? It's all material. They want to torture me, put me inside. What else you want from me? What will I do? I cannot tamper any evidence now. I am just an ordinary man. I don't even know how to drive. I don't know how to do anything. I have to go by taxi now. Everything, my livelihood has been affected. They've seized my account. They freeze my account. Whatever property I have, because it's in my name. I didn't hide. I never hide it like anyone else. They hide that they don't have property to declare. It's in my name. Why? Because I bought it. I have been a hardworking person right from the day I have not joined service. I have worked as a peon. I have worked as a teacher for 25 rupees. I go and do brasso job. I go and I do tuition. I make flowers. I make so many things. I do poultry, piggery.
Senior Congress leader selection submitted a complaint against the abuse of office by State Women Commission Chairperson Ms. Phidalia Toy for participating in the election rally of Jowai NPP candidate Wailat Miki Shillong. The candidature of Wailat Miki Shillong needs to be disqualified since it was a violation of Section 123(7) of the RP Act, as Ms. Phidalia Toy abused her office by campaigning for Mr. Wailat Miki Shillong. The delegation also made a complaint on the defacing of the Shillong city by the posters of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President JP Nadda. Appropriate action will be taken on the matters by the CEO, Mr. Frederick. AICC observers present were Shri Benny Banan, MP, Shri Jesuda Silam, former MOS Finance, Ms. Joplin Scott Shilla, President Mahila Congress, Srimati Bobita Sharma, and Advisor Matthew Anthony led the delegation.
Namantai Chairperson ng Women's Commission, by Don Banta hakajing file nomination jong iwi candidate jong party NPP West Giant Hills iba Wailat Miki Shillong. Niwan ujo katake kami. Bakit di ba niwen no? Yaka post naka-post jong chairperson, but ayu like for him to be disqualified.
We want
yeah.
the candidate to be disqualified,
Yeah.
as well as the Women Commission to be removed because she has violated the Model Code of Conduct and she has also violated the Indian Anti-Sedition Act. So it is, we have come, our senior MP, Mr.
It is
Denny
a
here.
clear violation of our election rule and election procedure. So it is not only the chairpersons, the candidate is also more responsible for that. So our demand, our submission is disqualify the candidate as well as take disciplinary action against the concerned chairperson. That's our demand.
Yes. We have also brought a second factor into the notice of the Chief Electoral Officer. All over the Shillong city, the posters of the Prime Minister and the Home Minister are displayed on the government buildings and on the government poles, electrical poles. So we requested them to take action to remove those posters immediately because it violates the Model Code of Conduct.
And what was the assurance from the CEO?
They said 100% they will verify and take
Investigate into the
action.
matter and they will take cognizance.
Yeah.
They have taken cognizance of the event and they will take into
Look into
action
the
on that.
matter. Yeah.
Always we hope, because the election commission will act according to the law and the election rules. We hope the election commission will take necessary action and immediate action against these violations.
That's right.
As part of the election awareness to remind the public in choosing correct leaders for their constituencies, the Hnyutrab Youth Council Women's Wing, along with the collective work of leaders of different districts, decided to organize an initiative known as Rai E Dao campaign, which was held on the 14th of February in Yau Patharkhma in Ribhoi. The main motive of the association is not to be in favor or not in favor of any political party or candidate, but to genuinely remind the people to make a correct choice for their own welfare. Present in the occasion were the President Robert June Kharjaran, General Secretary Roy Kupar Sindram, leaders from Ribhoi district, which included the President Hercule Suting, General Secretary Tony Shilla, along with leaders of Western zones, circles and residents of Patharkhma.
Yaka dong ka them ka jong pi daka jinglong jingman jaka khando daka jinglong jingman jaka mariang ka babaro kat bang ibet umi kanit kawai kapor kandai kata kaban support lani kaban kersan ya kabam ya ka jet riuh niu trep hi barok kawai mental ladang ya keren bomonu ka distrik ka baris pa atam lesi nyilak ban kenmau ya ki is chantia hill mau boleh ngi kenmau doyong buat motion Pila ban kenmau ya ka distrik jongi kapok south west kas hill bagi don doyong don motion pila ban kenmau ya ki is kas hill badan ki motion harengan ya thu phi parari u motion bon doyong ha kawai ki singi ulalu un salut shanong in lek pai ni hak ban lek pai syak ei ke bak pa temen ki jungi ke limja bat kata ka di garep gariang ladang ni mieng ban yada ya ka kendau ka siap lajong mieng ban yada ban penek pensa ya ki an ki beladan lupa kum ka Meghalaya lan transfer ak ya ka bala sandur dorang ba jong them ribhoi nama hoti wat dam klet ba ya ka Meghalaya lan transfer ak Martin M Majau di Wemle jong ka bauti ngim dai ban klet ya kata Ubalaya da yang akan dau ke siap jongi ladom don ke nekaan ngek basiteng jongi kendau hapo ari kasih ngatrai menta lalong terai de khar kaya bakatai ke civil subdivision kan syong ka ying syong rengai kabom dan briu kumbalang ke civil subdivision haki babun ki jaka keba ladap hilej hadin sitayo teng lapor lut da kitab bawa pandon kam bahaya kani ban pentikna bakha pandai ka ying song sarkar ka ban ai ya ka jing sakri ka bakham bha ya phi ngakit pokir riang susu bandang ne sakman pinang yo isibun kilat panroi ki ban kentiu ya ka yo ka kot.
The Dealer Association of Dadangre Civil Subdivision held its first general meeting in the public ground of Dadangre on the 13th of February. In the meeting, the association selected executive members for a term of 2 years. New office bearers were also chosen in the meeting. Shri Walnitson Sangma will take over as a General Secretary, Shri Jensing Marak as a Treasury, Shri Getsing Sangma as advisor, and executive members were also chosen by the association.
meeting ko muksongani yan naging uwenga Laibyan siya Dadangre subdivision area ni je magan ya dealer ko kam khai ngachim dealer kam kani ki sepon chingna matna nangani lepa percent chingna je 43% ko sorkari rang onna kura chaka chim warani ta jan man khujani gaman chia bersi ka thamna kengba chingna ya 43% ko jani gaman chingni muksongani ya association ko pom ka ge chim ode ja ko sorsan ungna manna gata chiga ya association ko pom ka inga
memang sekarang kuna bade songi ba area ni dilarang ya kemana suka
chiga da udah patte blok ki brini dilarang suka ya sekarang apa kila blok aro demdema blok Sarsala blok Dadangre blok ya blok ki brini dilarang da alo chiga ya bimunga na batuke atang ini lekani ko singna akan thalatut nangaha mana tentang makna nangane aro mungsong batte da au ya 43% ko manjan baksana singna da alo mirong onanio free distribute kane ba sualani ko dakate ani ko machia tentang macha ni lekani ko manenga wara ko tentang blok ni dilarang nek negani ko antara nek negani ko singna parak yo na uni ga masak singa da alo ya association ko pom kai ya rani ga manja ko dina ja plan kai nga aro je magan da ibaing pa hazar gari ko tamo sorkari ko ketcham un baksa singa agan golpu gutna ba ya memorandum na ko submit kana ani singa muksoinga aro un baksa na singni jean da o singna percent onna kura chakacham un baksana ya percent rang chungja uni ko cha manang ode 70 by 80% ko bariati onpha ku china ni cha demand khania ko takna ta cha muksongi ja ko dinga
Meghalaya Chief Minister and NPP State President Conrad K. Sangma on the 14th of February campaigned for Nihim D. Shira, Rakesh A. Sangma and Rakam A. Sangma along with party leader Thomas A. Sangma, in their respective constituencies across the Garo Hills. Seeking mandate for Songsak candidate Mihim Dishira at an election meeting, Condat stated that the people of Songsak had suffered as their MLA had failed to represent the aspirations of the people. He informed that several civil subdivision and CNRD blocks which were created the previous year in the state were long cherished demands of the people which were fulfilled by the NPP-led government. He further belittled Congress, saying it has problem with leadership and it had weakened across the country.
Ya hazar gedi korda tambul sini result ni salo chomotan March ni geni tariko jen salo result khatken NPP chu gamak majority ko matne chiganam gappa aro black pa so kharito ke Unigam gambe green mandiral ba ya sorkari baksa sngaba kham kanas kenga Singapa dalam gambe green tentang ani ko siapa detas kenga Singapa dalam nam kepada development aku maknas kenga ane nak sebang chancio de hai kenga yan pakta cengkut mongna MPP ni candidate para case Sangmana Nasmani kamsat de kepa vota ko utne hai ceng NPP ko siatna
National People's Party volunteers and supporters encountered an accident in Gurpani village. According to the reports, the supporters of NPP were travelling in a pickup vehicle to attend the party meeting organized by Rongara NPP. Unfortunately, while on the way, they met with an accident and sustained few injuries. The victims were taken to the Rongara hospital and the police authority had taken over the case for further investigation.
Nimna batti ba daw nunga dongwa ni nakna
mamung je jangan salba jantang
dongjamu mamung ja ar apsan gari kun mijalang ban ag panang chibar angjok
rangjok ya gari kun ranga
apsan akaba khamnan
ya rama namgi ja bachin rangjok ya gari
acha peda kore methela ne.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.